Are you struggling to get the most out of ChatGPT? Writing effective prompts is the key to unlocking its true potential. In this video, we'll guide you through 7 essential steps to ensure your prompts produce outstanding results. Get ready to transform your AI experience and boost your productivity. Step 1. Assign a role. To start, you need to assign a role to ChatGPT. By giving it a specific role, you help shape its behavior. For example, if you want ChatGPT to generate Instagram captions, begin your prompt by saying, "You will take on the role of an Instagram caption generator." This will assign an Instagram caption generator for that chat. You can then ask that it generate a caption on any topic of your choice. Step 2, give a clear task. Now it's time to tell ChatGPT what you want it to do. Be clear, descriptive, and precise in your instructions instead of a vague request like write a captivating Instagram caption. Give more specific details like write an Instagram caption on how to grow a YouTube channel in 2023, including 20 to 25 relevant hashtags on social media marketing and social media growth related topics. This will give you much better results that will attract a larger audience. Step 3, provide context. Context is key. You want ChatGPT to understand the background and purpose of your prompt, so include all the relevant information that will help it do a better job. For instance, if you want it to write in your style, tell it who you are and what you do, or provide a brief paragraph on any topic to help ChatGPT understand your style. The more context you give, the more impressive the outcome will be. Now, I will ask ChatGPT to write an Instagram caption on how to grow a YouTube channel in 2023 as a beginner without any video editing and storytelling experience. The result will be tailored to your unique style and tone. Step 4, provide examples. Don't simply tell ChatGPT what to do, just show it. See, examples play a crucial role in guiding the AI's understanding and helping it emulate the desired style. Give ChatGPT a repertoire of content to emulate from multiple sources. For instance, if you want to write an Instagram caption in a certain format, include examples so that it can generate the output in your desired style and perform well. Step 5, create rules. All right, now let's get to the specifics. Create a set of ground rules for ChatGPT to follow. Yes, rules are essential, and they'll help you get the best result. Be clear and precise in your instructions, from the output format to the writing style. For instance, you could ask for a character limit, add relevant emojis, or even explain things as if you were speaking to a 5-year-old. Remember to define rules to foster creativity within boundaries. Step 6, create constraints. Time to set some boundaries. Just like rules, constraints are equally vital. These are the things you don't want ChatGPT to do. By providing constraints, you're guiding your AI copilot to stay on the right track. So add a list of things to avoid or any specific limitations. ChatGPT will work within those constraints or provide a valid reason why it can't. Step 7, evaluate and iterate. Lastly, be prepared to evaluate and make changes to your prompts. It's unlikely that you'll create the perfect prompt from the start. Take time to assess the results, make adjustments, and iterate. Refine it over time until you achieve the desired outcome consistently. This process is all about learning and improving. So be patient and make small iterative changes. Don't stop until you reach the level of genius output you're aiming for. And now that you know the 7 essential steps for writing effective prompts for ChatGPT, it's time to put them into practice. Share your thoughts and questions in the comment. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Let's unlock the full potential of ChatGPT together.